Did you know your PMP certification will expire if you don't earn 60 PDUs every 3 years? That's right. You worked hard to get certified, and I'm here to make sure you keep it. In this video, I'm going to break down what PDUs are and why they matter most, the easiest way to earn PDUs, and how to track them properly to avoid last minute panic. At the end of this video, you'll have a clear, actionable plan to renew your PMP without stress. All right, let's start with the basics. PDUs, Professional Development Units. These are how PMI tracks your ongoing educational and professional growth. One PDU equals 1 hour of learning or giving back to the profession. To keep your PMP certification, you need to earn 60 PDUs every 3 years. And if you're like me and you have the PMI ACP or the PMI RMP, you have to earn 30 PDUs every 3 years. So how are these PDUs broken down? There are really two main categories that you need to worry about. First, we have educational PDUs. These include things like PMI's approved training courses, some webinars, online events, or workshops, or self-directing learning like reading a PM book. Next, we have giving back PDUs. These include things like mentoring junior PMs, creating content like blogs or videos like this, or volunteering at PMI chapters. Earning PDUs isn't just about keeping your certification. It keeps you up to date, makes you a better project manager, and gives you an edge in your career. So how do you earn them easily? Let's talk strategies. To make earning PDUs simple, let's talk through 3 easy strategies that you can use. Strategy 1, attend PMI webinars and events. The easiest way to get this is through PMI's free webinars. Just one webinar per month is 12 PDUs a year. You can even attend local PMI chapter events. They're a great way to network and earn those PDUs. Our next strategy is to mentor or volunteer. Did you know actually mentoring earns PDUs? If you help another PM prepare for their PMP exam, that counts. Or volunteering at a local PMI chapter, this also counts. PMI needs speakers, event coordinators, and even blog writers. Or a last strategy, take an online course. After getting my PMP, I went ahead and started working on my PMI ACP. The courses I took while working on that certification actually went towards the PDUs to renew my PMP. So you can take other courses and use that to get your PDUs. Or if you just want a one and done situation where you just take one course that has all 60 PDUs at once, look below. I'm going to have a link to the Pure Project Manager program. This is a 60 PDU new certification that hits all 60 PDUs in one go. Now let's talk about tracking PDUs the right way. Now that you're earning PDUs, let's track them correctly. The first step is to log them immediately. As soon as you complete the webinar, the training, or the mentoring session, log it. Don't wait until year 3. Be proactive. Next, make sure you're using a PDU tracker. I highly recommend using some type of tracking spreadsheet outside of just the PMI dashboard. PMI will audit sometimes or look for additional information. So using a PDU tracking spreadsheet allows you to keep in your head what you've done, where you've done it, and a place where you can also log where you've stored your certificates. And if you need an example, again, head down below and I'm going to have a link where you can download my free PDU tracking spreadsheet. This helps you keep everything organized and allows you not to have to scramble. Align your PDUs with your career goals. Think about where you want to grow in your career. Do you want to focus on risk management? Then focus your PDUs on risk management. If you want to lead teams, focus on leadership PDUs. Or if you want to improve your business skills, focus on those business acumen PDUs. There's a ton of information out there that you can focus on shifting your career in the right direction. So let's recap. 60 PDUs are needed every 3 years. 30 if you have something like the ACP or the RMP. Use webinars, mentoring, or courses to earn your PDUs. And make sure you're tracking your PDUs early to make sure you stay ahead of the game. If this video helped, make sure you like and subscribe to 44 Risk PM. And make sure you check the links below for that free PDU tracking template and a link to the Pure Project Manager course to get all 60 of your PDUs. And drop a comment if you have any questions. I'm always happy to help. 44 Risk PM out.